What's going, guys? This is Jay The Unbreakable here. School is done and we're going to go to Handyman to buy something. Tama ba ito? Hello, okay na yung sagot mo? What's going, guys? This is Jay The Unbreakable here, and it's currently February 14th, Valentine's Day, and I'm just going to show you what I bought from Handyman. And this is what I bought. I bought 3 things. This one, and the receipt is here. Never mind with that. And this one. You will see this. A cutter for the scratch test, a wrench for the durability test. Okay, guys, I need to change my clothes. What's going, guys? This is Jay The Unbreakable here, and I'm going to unbox this precision screwdriver, this set. And I bought this set from my local hardware store, Handyman, and this is one of the best that I can find. And today I'm going to show you what kind of set you should buy, and this is one of those. And I bought this so that I could fix this phone. Let's unbox this in the right angle. Let's get to it. And that's it.